According to McKinsey, 70% of companies that engage with creativity have better returns to shareholders. It's not surprising then that creativity is one of the best ways of gaining an unfair advantage. But it remains the least understood business tool. How should it be defined? Do people realize there are two types of creativity? What's the difference between creativity and innovation? Why do most brainstorm sessions fail? And of course, sitting on a beanbag doesn't make you creative. I'm John Hegarty. I was founding partner of Saatchi & Saatchi and creative founder of Bartle, Bogle, Hegarty. Over 50 years I've worked on some of the world's greatest brands, with work that helped define culture and change the fortunes of companies. Join me for 8 weekly sessions in which we'll explore how to win through the application of creativity. Each week I'll also be joined by a guest speaker, from business leaders to icons in the world of entertainment. Over the 2 months, we'll equip you with tangible tools to take forward and unlock the enormous impact that creativity will have on your business, your career, and even everyday life.